Hello friends, this is double opening spanners, ring spanners. These spanners are made up of alloy steel 31 CRV3. These are combination spanners available in the market in the form of different sizes and kit packing also. There are 8-piece kit packing and 12-piece kit packing are available in the market. This is combination plier of 8 inches. This is long nose plier of 6 inches. This is another variant of combination plier 8 inches made up of C70 material. This is 8-inch long nose plier. This is fencing plier available in the market with 40 CRV3 alloy steel material. This is Hex Sockets 1x2 half-inch scare drive available in the market in the form of Hex and Y-Hex. This is T-slider as a adapter used to operate the sockets. This is another type of L handle used to operate the sockets. L handle half-inch scare drive made up of 31 CRV3. This is L socket spanners available in the market as 17, 19, 21. This is socket set available in the market as 1x4 scare drive. This is pipe wrench 300 mm available in the market as 350, 400, 450 and 600. Adjustable wrenches available in the market as 8-inch, 10-inch or 12-inch sizes. In these screwdrivers available in the market in the shape of individual sizes or available as a kit of 8 blade in this packing, and also available 5 blade kit as this type of packing is safe to use up to 500 volt. This is pillow made up of spring steel C80 material. This is pruney sketcher used to cut the branches of trees. This is roll cut also used to cut the maximum capacity of 20 mm diameter as wet trim can be cut. This is head shear used to cut unwanted